Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to use the LastPass Chrome extension in very easy way. So let's get started. So firstly, open Google Chrome. Now visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for LastPass. Tap to open it. Now click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. After installing the extension, click on the puzzle icon to mark it as pin. Now it will automatically open my LastPass wallet. Now sign in to your LastPass account. Here you will see it will, if you don't have an account, create one first. If you have an account, just log in with your details and click on login. Here you will see add your first password, then click on let's do it. Here you can add the website name, like I want to save this, or you can easily open any website and log in. Like from there you can start and explore. Add your first password, click on all items and click on let's do it. Here you will search, like I am adding LastPass. Then you can add the URL like this, and this is the password. Then select a folder and then click on save. Here you will see success, LastPass was added. Here you will see that this, and click on whenever you use the password, then you can just simply click on launch and it will open the link and add your login details, and you can easily log in. If you want to share this password with anyone, you can click on share button. If you want to edit this, then click on edit, and if you want to remove this password, you just click on remove delete icon. And that's it. You can also click the pass icon anytime to view your saved passwords, like this. And that's how to use the LastPass Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.